Navigating the right moment to kiss a girl can be tricky, as you might be unsure of her feelings or readiness. To express your romantic interest, it's essential to build chemistry and convey the right body language. Engaging in enjoyable activities together, like going to a scary movie or visiting an amusement park, can increase attraction and create opportunities for physical closeness. Make sure to spend some alone time together, free from distractions, and choose a comfortable setting for the kiss. Being aware of your surroundings to avoid awkward moments. Pay attention to her cues, both verbal and nonverbal, to find the right moment. And use effective body language to show your intentions. Finally, breaking the touch barrier can help establish a deeper connection, making it easier to initiate that first kiss.